Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all might be fine and safe in your home. So, today, children, in moral science, we will read about obedience. In the previous class, we have read the story related to obedience to parents that is given in lesson 8 and that we will discuss today in short and then do the question answer and reflection of this chapter. So let us do this story in short first. So our parents love us and care for us. So children, we know that our parents, they love us a lot and they care for us. They want the best for us. Our parents, they want the best for us. Whatever they say, we should listen to our parents. We should obey them because when they say something, they say for our best. Whatever they think is good for us, they say. So we should always obey our parents and respect them. So we should always obey our parents. We should listen to our parents. We should respect them because they know what is good for us, what is bad for us. We should not get annoyed by our parents, the parents. Now we will see the story of a boy. So here there is a boy whose name is Rajesh, and he was a nice boy, but what happened, sometimes he would not obey his parents. He had a sister whose name was Soma, who was opposite to him. She was very obedient girl. Their cousin's birthday, it was coming nearer and they were going to buy for their cousin a gift. Then mother said that if you are going for shopping, then please carry your raincoats. Then Soma, she went and brought the raincoat, but Rajesh, he did not bring. Then Soma asked to Rajesh that why aren't you carrying your raincoat? Why you're not carrying your raincoat? Then Rajesh said that it's not raining, so I'm not carrying my raincoat. Then Soma told that you should carry your raincoat. Mom has told to carry, so we should carry your raincoat with you. Then Rajesh said that what is the use? There is no use of carrying the raincoat because it's not raining outside. Let's go. We are getting late. Then they both left the house for the market. Then they had not reached halfway also, and it started to rain. Soma was having raincoat. She has put her raincoat, but Rajesh did not have, and he got completely wet because he was not having anything to wear. So you should have carried your raincoat, Soma told him. Now Soma said that you should have carried your raincoat. Then Rajesh said that don't worry, it is only water. It will not do harm. Then when they were shopping, it was continuously raining. Rajesh, he was feeling very cold. He was shivering. When he was going home, he was shivering. Now, when he reached home, as soon as he reached home, he changed his wet clothes, but that did not help much because he had got completely wet and he had got a cough and cold. And after a while, he began to sneeze. He started sneezing. The next day, he was suffering from very high fever and his whole body started to pain. He was not able to leave the house, and on his cousin's birthday, what happened? He was lying on the bed because he was not able to go to the because he was suffering from fever. He missed his, he was not able to go to his cousin's birthday party. So much she went to the party and she was enjoying very nicely over there. She sang, she danced, she ate cake, and the things which she got to eat over there, she was enjoying over there, and Rajesh was lying on the bed. Then this incident taught Rajesh a valuable lesson. Now, after this incident, Rajesh has learnt a valuable lesson, that to always obey his parents. Now, he understood that he should always obey his parents. He realized that when his parents instruct or give an advice, it is for a very good reason. Now, he understood that when our parents, when they say something to us, there is a very good reason behind that. They are telling us because they know that what is going to happen afterwards. So what we should do? we should obey them, even if that reason is not clear to him at that point of time. So at that point of time, if that reason is not clear, then also we should obey our parents. Because what happened when it was not raining, then also mother has told to take the raincoat. Rajesh thought, no, it's not raining outside, why should I carry my raincoat? And it started raining afterwards. Mother was knowing that it is going to rain, so she told him, and he did not listen and he got wet. So that time that reason was not clear. Afterwards it became clear and he understood that he should have listened to his mother that time. So children, be obedient to your parents in all things. So you should be obedient, we should listen to your parents in all the things. For this is well pleasing to the Lord. So God also gets very happy. When we listen to our parents, God is also pleased with us. So you know that obedience to parents is obedience to God. That means when we obey our parents, okay, when we obey our parents, we obey God. Now we will do the question answer. Answer the following questions. Why did Rajesh not carry his raincoat? So Rajesh did not carry his raincoat because it was not raining. Why did Rajesh not attend his cousin's birthday? Rajesh did not attend his cousin's birthday because he was suffering from very high fever. Then what did Rajesh learn from this incident? Rajesh learnt a valuable lesson to always obey his parents. So after that incident, Rajesh has learned that we should always obey our parents. Now children, we will do reflections of the chapter. The reflection: we must obey our parents and respect their wishes. So children, what we should do? We must always obey our parents. We should listen to our parents, and what are their wishes, we should respect. We should do what they want. Okay? Sometimes we may not like what our parents ask us to do. So what happens, sometimes it might be that we may not like what our parents they are telling us to do. We may not like, we may get annoyed that, oh, all the time our parents are saying this, our parents are not allowing us to do that thing, so we get annoyed. But we should listen to them that time also. For example, our parents may ask us not to watch TV after a certain time. So what happens, our parents they tell us that you have seen a lot of television, now no need of seeing. Okay, from that time you are seeing, now no need of seeing, switch it off and go to study. So at that time we feel very annoyed, we get angry. Okay, that my parents they are not allowing us me to see. Then there is a reason behind that. What happens when you sit continuously, when you watch television? First of all, you are wasting your precious time. Okay, and the second is that when you see television, your eyes also they get damaged continuously. If you watch that screen, your eyes also get damaged. The other thing is that when you sit at the same place for a long time, you don't do any kind of physical activity, you may suffer from any other kind of disease. So they understand all the things, then only they are telling you not to do those things. Okay, so you should understand, and then you should listen to your parents and obey them. Then, or they may not allow us to eat too many sweets. So our parents they may tell us that no, so many sweets you should not eat. Eat a little bit and then keep it. Then at that time also we feel bad. Oh, our parents they are telling and not allowing us to eat many sweets. They are not giving us. So there also there is reason. What happens when we eat continuously too many sweets? Then our teeth they may get damaged, or it may happen that many sweets when we eat we can suffer from any other kind of disease over there, okay, related to sweets. So instead of that we should eat fruits. Sweet fruits are there, so we may eat that. That will be beneficial for us. Now see, they may ask us to study hard and not to play for too long. So our parents, they may tell us you should study hard. Instead of playing for too long, what you should do? You should study. So we should listen to them. Okay, when we study very nicely, when we study hard, then we will progress in our life. Okay, we will become good citizen, we will get good job, we will have progress in our life. So we should study hard, okay, and get good marks. So we must realize that such restrictions are often imposed on us for our safety and progress in life. So we should understand that our parents, they are restricting us. That means they are not allowing us to do those things. Why? Because it is for our safety. Okay, for our safety, so that we can be safe, we can progress in our life. So our parents, they, whatever they tell us, that is for our best. They think best for us, so they tell us so that we can become very good and our future becomes very bright. So we should listen to our parents. So thank you, children, and obey your parents, respect their wishes. Thank you, everyone.